guys, this is Phon-Er vlog 57. We are on our way to fix an iPhone 6s screen black. It came from Yelp. We're on our way there. Should be there in like 10 minutes. This is the first job we've did it, so we're gonna be there to fix the 6s screen black, and we will keep you updated once we get there, so we can show you how it goes down. So stay tuned, and we'll be right back. Thank you for watching, and we'll be right back in a sec. Peace. Cut. I'm not gonna watch this, so I won't spoil something. Come on. I'm gonna put it right here. Cool. Yeah, all good, done. Okay. Hey guys, we just finished that repair, the iPhone 6s. I was doing it on the chair, and the guy was super happy. Gave me a tip of $10, super cool. We just finished it, and I gave him a free case and a free tempered glass, just because he was a Yelp customer, so I wanted to make sure that as a first-time customer he was satisfied. And that's about it, guys. I will see you guys soon with vlog 58. In the meantime, thank you for watching this Phon-Er Gold, and have a beautiful evening, morning, daytime, or afternoon. Take care. Thank you for watching. Peace. Cut. That's a wrap. Hey guys, it's now 11:37 a.m. This is still a part of vlog 57, but we're driving to Mr.C in Beverly Hills. It's this really fancy hotel to repair an iPhone 6s Black, another 6s Black on the same day. And we should be there in 18 minutes. We'll try to record and see if we can record it. I'm assuming it's celebrity because it's a fancy hotel, and I guess the agent called me, not the actual person, and they didn't give a name, so I'm assuming it's celebrity. So we'll see what happens. So stay tuned for some cool action if I am able to record it, and see you soon. Thank you for watching, and this is Phon-Er Gold. I'll be right back with you ASAP. Peace. Hey guys, we're just arriving to Mr.C in Beverly Hills. It's pretty sweet. That's what it is. It's that big blue purple thingy you're seeing right now. Let's figure out where the entrance is. I've been here before. I kind of like that's about it. I can just see right there. You see? Oh, wait. We'll have to wait for the valet to come. I'll see you guys inside. God. Hey guys, I'm still waiting for the valet to come. I wanted to show you the cars that I see. Look at that. It's a Jeep G car, and this is a Aventador. It's fucking awesome, beautiful. That's the hotel. Pretty cool, right? Hey guys, I'm in here. This is how beautiful this looks like. Go to 401.
Oh, right.
Oh, okay. Thank you. Almost done. What? Yeah. Yeah, I just have to make sure. What? Yeah, I mean, it's already done. Here you go, it's all done. Thank you for watching. Cut. Hey guys, I'm just leaving the Mr.C right now. You just saw I did iPhone 6s Black, and now it's 12:27 in the morning, and I'm going home to get some rest for a fresh day tomorrow with Block 58 coming on its way to you as the day flies out and unfolds and unfolds. Hey guys, thank you for watching this Phon-Er Gold, and we'll see you tomorrow with Block 58. Thank you for watching again, and for your support and love. Ari out for now. Good night, or morning. See you soon tomorrow. Peace. Cut. Wrap.